In the previous video, we showed the working status and working principle of the dual control switch. In this video, we will show how to connect a wireless remote control switch, so that we can use two switches and a remote control to control this light from any position. Wireless remote control switch is customized for dual control circuits. It has two red connection wires and two black connection wires. Of course, it also needs to be connected to an AC power supply to work. We first disconnect two cables between two dual control switches, and then connect two black cables and two red cables of remote control switch to two switches. In this way, a three-control circuit is easily formed. Let's demonstrate below. This wireless remote control switch is equipped with a remote control. Now we can not only use two dual control switches to control the light, and we can also use the remote control to remotely control the light from any reliable location. These three switches can control the light alternately without any conflict. Here we also made an animation to demonstrate the working principle of this three-control circuit. The remote control switch is equivalent to a double-pole double-throw switch in this circuit. Of course, we can also provide a more powerful remote control to achieve a longer remote control distance, for example, more than 1000 meter.